Hello everyone, welcome back. Today is day 19, our Learn English Challenge journey, speaking in front of the camera every day, next 90 day consistency. So today is day 19. We keep doing that almost the 18 days, and including today is day 19. I'm really so excited. So today we're going to learn IELTS questions, answer those IELTS questions, practice these IELTS questions without struggling like a bro, and speak our English, learning language, just using the language. So we need to speak the language and try to speak like a bro. Not fear of mistakes. We just wanna express ourselves to speak the language. So today I will prepare I prepared some bunch of questions, and I'm gonna explain them, answer those questions, and I will leave one question by the end video to answer you guys at the comment. Write down that question, the answer at the comment. So let's get started. Please watch the video until the end. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and write down at the comment below when you start learning English and what's your English level. For me, my English level is B1 to B2. I've been learning English 6 months, so I'm really doing good right now. My English is doing so good, speaking and feeling confident. So let's get started. So the first question, IELTS question right here is: do you prefer to spend your free time alone or with friends? This is the first IELTS questions we're going to explain and answer. So, do you prefer to spend your free time alone or with friends? For me, I prefer to spend my free time alone. Really, I am introvert, so I would love to always stay alone kind of stuff and chill. So I like to spend my free time kind of alone. Sometimes also I like being with friends, but if that question being honest, I would love to spend my free time maybe alone or at home, cooking, play games, learning languages, talk to people. And sometimes when I feel like when I meet people, I really talk so well, talk to them. So I feel like I'm not introvert, but I'm introvert. Like I'm good at both, like talking with a social and unsocial. So yeah, but I prefer spending my time alone, I think. What's your opinion? What you spend your free time? That is the question. So the next question is: what kind of music do you like? What kind of music do you like? For me, I don't have any favorite music to listen, but sometimes really I listen to music when I'm cooking or maybe when I'm going somewhere. But I'm not good at listening sometimes. So I just yeah, I've been into lately classic music. Classic music, right? Yeah, classic music. I just listen to those music I so, and when I'm listening, I kind of like so much. So, but I'm not good at listening music. So the question is another question. Same way is: how often do you like? How often do you like listen to music? This how often do you like? For me, I'm not prefer to listen always music. Maybe once a week or twice a month, kind of. Actually, I'm not good at listening music so much. Instead of listening music, I prefer to listen podcast, English podcast, and yeah, love watching English podcast, English TV show, and that why today I speak in English like normally. So I recommend you instead of listening. A lot of people they recommend you if you listen music, you learn your words, and yeah, they saying that. But for me, really, I'm not recommending you. If you're learning language, listening, I would recommend you should listen English podcast, audio books, video motivation kind of stuff. Hold that video talking English. Music like pump for pump. That is kind of bit uh uh a bit quick. And if you learn a language, if somebody recommend you learn a language in music, I don't think that it works. But podcast it works because they speak in the language slowly and you can understand them. So For me, my recommendation is listen English podcast. So the second question right here is, what is your favorite food? What's your favorite food? The question is, what's your favorite food? For me, I have favorite food is, but I really my favorite food is a rice with meat. That meat kind of meat, beef, camel meat, cow meat, chicken, whatever meat. I just prefer rice with meat and put the top banana. I'm Somali, so always Somali people when we eating our rice, we or food, we put at the top one banana. So banana with rice is my favorite food. I know how to cook, and also when I'm going to out restaurant, when I wanna eat out, I will put my banana. I never forget my banana. So rice with banana is the perfect for me. I like that food. If you wanna find out, put your rice at top with one banana and you will see how delicious it is. So that is my favorite food. Also, like I have maybe what else I like. I not remember any other food I like, but rice with banana, rice with banana, that's my favorite. So in Somali people we eat rice with banana. So you can find out, guys, if you want to test it, that food. Really so delicious. So the second question right here, the second no, is the fifth question, I think. Do you enjoy cooking? That is the question I love the most. Do you enjoy cooking? Uh, no, I am not enjoy cooking really. No, I don't enjoy cooking, but I know how to cook, and I cook every day by myself. I live alone, so I cook by myself every day, and I really when I cook after eating, when I'm eating the food, I enjoy what I cook. It's very, very delicious. So, but I'm not enjoying when I'm cooking. I get mad. I listen podcast. I entertain myself. If not, I can't cook. Like I feel like so exhausted kind of stuff. So, but I know how to cook, and but I'm not enjoying really. I don't like to cook. But if somebody cook for me, I would love to eat. So right now I don't have nobody cook for me, so I cook just by myself, and I'm not enjoying, but I just cook. So that's the last question. Last question here is for you guys. I'm not gonna answer this one. It's just I'm gonna leave here. You need to answer at the comments. So the first question is, what's your favorite drink? Tea, coffee, whatever, milk, what you like to drink. Tell us at the comment what is your favorite drink, and make sure you join us. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and let's learn English together. Let's be fluently. Let's be grow ourselves. Let's be learn new languages. So thank you very much. Please support me, like the video, and if you watch until here, you are the legend. I really love you so much, and I will tell me at the comment if you're watching right now. So thank you very much. Have a good one. See you soon.